Y'all see that hair? But then I got a little patch right here. Yeah, I need all that stuff off. Like, ugh.
Hey everybody, it's your girl Nijah and I am back with another video. So in today's video, we are going to be reviewing these face wax strips. Cause y'all, I don't know about y'all, but normally when I go and get my feet done, get my little manicure, that's when I get my, and I'm just opening up the package. Yeah, normally when I go and get my feet done and all that, I get my, face wax too. But since I haven't been able to do that, this hair and these chin hairs have been just straight disrespectful. So today we're going to review these Nad'S facial wax strips. Again, I got them from Amazon. The box looks a little beat up. I mean, it's not bad, but okay. It says you'll have touchable, soft, smooth skin, because right now, ooh. It says just rub, peel, and go. Easy to use wax strips. It's 20 strips and it's 10 double-sided. It's for the face, upper lip and chin, fingers, and toes. And I forgot how much I paid for it because the receipt's not even. But I want to say it was like $4.99. All right, I have never done this, but I'm hopeful. Let me see.
Y'all see that hair? But then I got a little patch right here. Yeah, I need all that stuff off. Like, ugh.
All right, so when I open up the box, let's see what's in here. All right, so that's everything out of the box. All right, I got the instructions, Nad'S wax strips. All right, it tells you how to do it. It says to start, ensure skin is clean, dry, and free of oils and moisturizers. All right, and then it says briskly rub strips between, actually no, I'll do that after I do this. All right, so I have a thank you card, and it says to send us your feedback. Hi, thanks for choosing Nad'S. I love to hear any feedback you have on our product range. Please email me and then I look forward to hearing from you. Sue, who is the Nad'S founder and brand ambassador. All right, I have post wax calming oil wipes. Okay. Also, I actually have 2 of those. And I don't know why, but I thought the strips were bigger than this, but these are like little. And then as you can see, like the little strip part ain't that big, but we shall see. All right, so we're supposed to start off with clean skin. So I'm actually going to take some tissue and wipe my face with some witch hazel. All right, so as it turns out, I don't have any witch hazel, which I thought I did, but of course, now that I want to do this, can't find it. So I just got some regular alcohol that I'm gonna use because all I got on my face now is moisturizer. That's it. So all right. Now again, okay, so my skin is clean and dry, free of oils and moisturizers. Now it says briskly rub strips between palms to ensure wax is warm. All right, so let me open this up. Like I said, I've never done this, so I don't know how this is going to come out. I have no idea. But I'm hoping that the hairs come off, because that's the main thing. All right, slowly separate double strips into 2 strips. And then you're going to apply strip with pressure and firmly smooth over 3 to 4 times. So it's like you're gonna lay it down and then add heat using your hand in the direction of hair growth with the palm of your hand or your fingers. Holding skin taut, pull strip back quickly and as close and parallel to the skin as possible in the opposite direction of hair growth. I don't know which way my hair grows, but we're gonna find out today. All right. For upper lip and chin, it says hair on upper lip grows in 2 directions. So treat it in 2 stages. Chin hair should be removed by pulling the strip upward toward the nose. Okay? All right, well, let's see. All right, so I got the strip in my hand. It keeps sliding down. All right, let's do it like this. All right, now it said to break it apart like this. Now they said, oh, all right, so I'm gonna put this here. Uh-oh, Lord have mercy. Let me get a thumbnail real quick. All right, now hold the skin taut. Ooh! It did take the hair off. Look at that. Ooh. That was good. Let me see if I can get this little piece right here. Ooh, okay. Okay, getting all these little hairs off. All right, on to the next one. All right, now we're gonna do the other side. And it's a little sting. It's not like it hurts for like days. It just, you know, that little pinch, the initial shock, if you will. All right. Ooh, 1, 2. Yeah. It's getting these little hairs. Okay, let me get my mirror to see. Let me get my mirror. Yeah, I got a little bit right here in this little corner, right? Yeah. So this part is clean, so I'm gonna apply it here. Rub it. Let's see. Okay, it got it. I do have a couple more here on the left side, so let me. Woo! Yup, hair's gone. And I have some little faint ones like right here in this spot. Oh. I gotta get another one for that. All right, now on to this chin. But my lip looks good. Feels, I feel like I don't have like that little shadow across my face or across my lip. And excuse my little liner. All right, so we're gonna break this apart. All right, you see that all right there, so let's go on and get that right now.
Thumbnail.
All right. Okay. So the hairs are coming off. Yeah, they are definitely coming off. All right, I'm gonna use a separate one for this other side. Ooh, you see that? I'm only applying half, so I can use the other half on another part of my face. Oh, ain't nothing come off there. All right, I guess I'm gonna have to put the whole thing on it. Whew! It did take some hair off. A couple of little strands. And excuse my nails, I'm doing my nails tonight, y'all, so stay tuned for that video. Let me get my mirror. These hairs are stubborn on this side. Ain't how it look, only like 3 or 4 of them came off. All right, let's try another one. And I know it says don't do like the same area twice, but y'all, these hairs gotta come off. And I'm looking in my mirror. Much better. Maybe I was pulling in the wrong direction. A couple more came off. There we go. Much better. Y'all seeing them hands, even though I know that looks a little, you know, I got one right here. Got it. Now I got a couple that I just need to get my tweezers for. Yeah, I do have a couple. That I gotta get my tweezers for, but other than that, it did good. I'm gonna finish the rest of my chin and I'll be back with my final review. All right, guys, so I am now all done. And where did I put the rest of those strips? Oh. Yeah, so out of 10, I use 5, and just is this my proof. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how many I have left. What would I give this product out of 5 stars? I would give it a 4.5. Only reason why I would give it a 4.5 because I just wish the strips were actually just a little thicker, because the way my hair grows, it doesn't grow, like I couldn't get a lot of the hair in one strip. I had to keep like going back. Does my skin look a whole lot better? Yes, like there's not as much hair. I did have to go in with my tweezers to get some of the hair off. Other than that, would I use it again? Yes, I would. Like I said, I just wish that they would make them a little thicker. But in a case like now, I can't get my little waxings here and here. Will it do? Yeah. So again, I would give it 4.5 out of 5 stars. And yeah, that's gonna end this review. So yeah. Oh, I forgot. Let me I almost said I don't have no witch hazel. I said, let me get my little aloe vera gel so I won't be up here looking like ashy mashy. Here's the aloe vera gel, because that's the last step in this process. That's all I have. So that's what I'm going to use to soothe this freshly waxed skin. And it feels good too. Yeah. And I even got some chin hairs that was down up on my neck. Ooh, I feel like a brand new baby. All right, and I have to get that hair off my neck, but I'm gonna just put some here for the little cooling sensation. And yeah, so yeah. That's gonna be the end of this video. I wanna say thank you guys so much for watching. And also ask, what do y'all use to wax your chin hairs and whatnot? Let me know what you thought of this review. Will you be trying this product or do you even use it? So, till the next one. Bye. All right, so forgot about these. These came in the, the pack. So let me go and use the all whites. All right. You can see the hair is pretty much gone. Looks good. All right, so Nad'S, thank you.